Seared scallops are a quick dinner meal, or in this case, an elegant appetizer. But I must warn you, if you start your meal off this way, you'll have to make sure that you have a great main dish, because these are luxurious. Scallops look like they are difficult to make, but they're actually easy to do. But just take credit for all the hard work. To make seared scallops with a lemon butter caper sauce, I start with jumbo scallops, not bay scallops for this recipe. Try to pick out the biggest scallops you can find. Pat them dry with a paper towel to remove any excess moisture. The key to a nicely seared scallop is making sure the scallops are dry and the pan is hot. I like to use my cast iron pan for seared scallops because it holds heat well and evenly. To my hot pan, I add olive oil and butter. While the butter is melting, season the scallops with salt and pepper. Once the pan is smoking hot, place the scallops in the pan in an intentional pattern, clockwise. Scallops cook quickly, so you'll want to make sure you know which scallop to turn over next. Sear the scallops until they are browned, which will take about 2 minutes. Then turn them over and sear on the other side for 2 minutes more. Remove the scallops from the pan and place on a plate. Add diced shallots and garlic to the pan. Cook until fragrant and then add white wine and chopped capers. Season with salt and pepper and cook until the alcohol burns off and the liquid is reduced to half. Add in 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter to make a smooth, buttery sauce. Drizzle pan sauce over the scallops and enjoy. Seared scallops are a wonderfully delicious dish that you can make for that someone special that you love, or any special occasion will do. Remember that the key points are to have a hot pan and dry scallops. Your scallops will melt in your mouth like butter from the first bite. For more tips and recipes and entertaining ideas, check out my website, biteswithapplewhite.com. And don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss an episode.